Hello everybody. Today I'm going to just flip through this finished junk journal photo album that I have created for my niece. This is about either the 6th or the 7th video in the series. I'm not sure which, probably 7. However, it'll be in the title. And I guess I just haven't got that far yet. Anyway, my name is Laura. And I'm from the Queen of Mirth, and I'm very grateful to be here with you today. And thank you for stopping by. This was made with a lot of love because I love my niece very, very much. And I just thought I would share it with you. I've shared the whole process of creating it, and now it's time to just have a look at what it's all about and do a little flip through. So here we go. Let's just get these ties away. It's actually quite a simple cover, and this part is some unbleached cotton, and these are just cotton ties that I ripped from a piece of cotton. I don't know if it was a bed sheet or what it was, but it was something like that. Anyway. Let's get going. So first of all, we have an envelope, and in the envelope is a little letter written by me to my beautiful niece. And it says, "Dear Amira, this birthday gift is a little late, but I know you won't mind. I have made you a junk journal of some of our happy times. I hope you like it. As I worked on this little project, I thought of you. Not only did I recall our shared experiences, I thought of how beautiful you are inside and out. I am truly grateful that you are my niece. No aunt could be more proud than I am. May your future be happy and bright. Love, Laura." So there you go. And that just goes in this envelope. I made the envelope. It's just made with some double-sided cardstock or scrapbooking paper. So here is, okay, the first thing is there are two parts to this, Providence and Vancouver. The Providence photos are all of, I'm just going to flip through as I talk. The Providence photos were all taken during a trip that my daughter and I made to Rhode Island to visit my niece and her family, my sister, her husband, and their 2 children. And my niece is the eldest of 2 daughters. And here they all are. And the photos that I took are here. So this is the house that they lived in Providence. And there's, I don't know, my vision's really bad. I think that's my daughter and my sister. Okay, so this is a little thing that I made from some kind of business envelope. And this is one of the places that we visited. It's about that. And then here I have a tag. I made this tag in another video, actually. It's a pocket tag. And it says, "Love is always the best answer." And then on the back, it says, "Amira, may you always walk in gratitude and wonder." So, I love being an auntie. Okay, these are just photographs that were taken during that trip. Now, during that trip, Amira, I think she was about 8 years old, and she drew some fairies for me, and they were in this envelope, so I just put this in. Because I think I showed these in another video when I was putting the envelopes in and everything, so I don't think I will again. If you want to see all of the stuff like that, you can just look at the video of when I put in elements and embellishments. So, yeah. So that is it. I know that she will like it, and I loved making it, and I hope that you enjoyed having a look. I think that it's all very good to, I mean, I really like the idea. I love the idea of making photo albums, making our junk journals into photo albums. And we could do a lot of journaling around the photos as well. I didn't do that in this one because I just didn't have the time. But it would be great, I think, to take some photos of a certain trip or of some people, or, you know, some times that were had, and put them in the album and then journal around them. I think that would be an awesome idea. Anyway, thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I wish you all the very, very best that life has to offer. Take care now. Bye.